How to find invoice on Temu? Well, it's very easy to find an invoice over Temu. First of all, you have to log in into your Temu account, which I have already done it. And to find an invoice, you have to just go to your order section, which is here you can see. If I take my mouse to order on accounts, I will get a drop down and basically this is your orders. So I'll just click on it and you can just find your all your orders here, and basically the orders which you have already received will be shown in the deliver section. So you can just go to the deliver section, or if you're not able to find your order, you can just enter the order ID or tracking number or item name. You will definitely find it over this search bar. And here you will get an option of order to get an invoice of that order. It's very easy to do it. But even though in some cases, if you're not able to find the invoice, I will show you the another method. On the top right, you can see this is a support. So just go to the chat with Temu. And here, if you just go to the chat with Temu, let me show you first of all. So this is basically the support center and FAQ of Temu, where you can just go and directly, if you want instantly, then just click on the support here and click on chatbot. And here basically you have to type here invoice. And once you type here invoice, basically they will ask you the order ID or the invoice number or the product name. And once you have entered that, they will instantly send you an invoice of that. So this is very easy to do, and I hope you found this video very useful.